making some fish, a fried fish, Jamaican style. Elijah likes it.
Yeah.
It's Elijah's birthday.
Happy birthday.
And he's actually living today.
You belong in it.
So I'm excited to give him a nice meal. So then it's some fish, and then over there's some festival, but now I finish fry these fish, and then I make some rice plantain and also some cabbage, liquid steamed cabbage. So looking at your bit. See the old is greasy? Look there. It's so greasy. Okay, so I'm making some steamed cabbage. I'm using the purple and regular color. I'm going to put some butter and all of that, season it a bit. Some fish over there we already fried. That's how I want it to look. And I have 2 more here. So I have a lot to clean with this stove. Look at the stove down.
Yeah, see, this is because it's fried.
It's a lot to clean today. Hello everyone, good night, good evening, good morning. So as you can see, I'm cooking and I'm using my phone because I don't want to use the camera. It's too much. So I'm cooking over here and things are messing up. So I cooked the fish and let me show you a bit. So do you want food? Okay, so this is my fish. I know it's not burnt, it's dark. Alexandra telling me to she. So this is Mariah plantain and I'm making some festival, but they're not turning out well. I'm going to turn around the camera and show you a bit. So this is it. I don't know, they're kind of hard. It's not made well this time. Take them out a bit and just start hurrying up. It's been a long time I'm cooking. It's some minutes to 7. Normally we will have dinner like long time, but it's kind of a late dinner tonight. Didn't mean for that to happen. So I'm putting in the dry plantain. And yeah, how are you guys? I hope you're doing well. So I'm just making like a little birthday dinner for Elijah. So I'm making him a little birthday dinner for him to feel special. It's Tuesday now, so I'm going to celebrate it on the weekend. Oh my gosh, this is hot. So it's Tuesday, and normally I'll do it on the weekend. I keep him a little party, get together with all of us. So I'm going to do that on the weekend, but for today I'm just going to cook him something nice. What happened? What happened to baby? Come here. Say hi. You going to say hello? Alexandra, say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Yeah, what happened? Do you want food? Yeah, I think it's that time, so I have to hurry up because she's hungry. I'm going to show you the finishing of the food very soon. Catch you in a bit. I can't wait. I have to feed her. Here, baby. Okay, so this is my dinner and this is done. And we have Elijah. Let's eat.